The electric rotary cutter is very fast and cool, but also terrifying. So I pretty quickly resorted to cutting fabric the old-fashioned way. During the pandemic, I opened an Etsy shop to sell stickers. Over the years, I've transitioned to selling cat products, mainly cat toys, and that's what I'm making today. This was one of the first custom designs I made, featuring my cat Bruce as a wizard. I had intended on retiring this design, but I just really like it, so I decided to order it one more time. My son is at daycare today, but that does not mean my day is free from distractions. Here's Richard demanding that I turn on the tap for him. It's already time for a fika break. I could make a whole video about what fika is, but for today, let's just call it a coffee break. No, you're so thirsty.
When your world ain't going right and the struggle dims your shine, I'll be a gold mine. Back to back, I got you and you got me. Dream team, stick together and make history.
The future of my shop is pretty uncertain at this point. I'm trying to decide whether I want to go all in or shut it down, because it takes a lot of time and resources. So while I try to figure it out, I'm just using the materials I already have on hand. I really should do more sewing, but I got a little too excited to watch the videos of the kitties, so I started editing this YouTube video, and Bruce loves it because he usually sleeps on the bed right next to me. If you've been around for a while, you've probably seen these guys here and there, on Bruce's bowl, on my socks, my coffee cups. The Moomins were created by a Swedish-speaking Finn, and they were very popular when I grew up. The last couple of years, they've gained popularity here in the US as well. I recently bought this book. Initially, I wanted to get it for my son, but I quickly realized it wouldn't fare well in the hands of a 1-year-old, so for now, it gets to live in my office.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want